Hey guys, my name is Gavin Shimimana, and I'm here tonight to show you or to help you understand the reason behind why we cannot divide by zero. I'm not sure if your teacher have ever told you why we cannot divide by zero. So I'm here to share with you a proof of why we cannot divide by zero and what can happen if we try to divide by zero. Now, the basic and simple way to understand this concept is to think of, let's say 5 divided by 0 equals some integers x, and this would mean 0 times that integer x should be equal to 5. However, this is not possible because any number times by 0 equals 0, so you can never get the 5 back. However, this is the simplest way to understand that. And now what I'm gonna do on the screen, I'm pretty sure you can see the equation there, and the title is, where can't we divide by 0? Now, let a, b, and c be non-zero variables in the real numbers. Suppose a plus b equals c. Now, subtract c on both sides. You have a plus b minus c equals c minus c. And that, in the second line, we have a plus b minus c equals 0. That is our first equation. Now, multiply 3 on both sides by 3 on both sides of the equation 1. So you have 3 factor of a plus b minus c, which is equal to 0 times 3. And the next line, this is equivalent to 3 times a plus b minus c, which is equal to 0. This is our second equation. Now, similarly, we can multiply by 4 on both sides of the equation 1, and you have 4 factor of a plus b minus c, which is equal to 0 times 4. And this we simplify to 4 equal times factor of a plus b minus c equals 0. This is our third equation. Now we can equate equation 2 and 3. When you do that, what do we get? We get a factor of a plus b minus c, which equal to 4 factor of a plus b minus c. And so on the next part, what we get on this slide, we can divide by the factor of a plus b minus c on both sides of those equations, and once we do that, we get 3 equals 4. Therefore 3 equals 4. Does that make sense? How can 3 equals 4? That's impossible, right? Yes, 3 is not equal to 4, and therefore this cannot be possible. Since it cannot be possible, that's we conclude that we cannot divide by 0. And I want to clarify something. You saw here we multiply by 3 on both sides and we multiply by 4 on both sides. However, this can work with any integer except 0. Why? Because we are trying to prove that 0, you cannot divide by 0, because once you do that, you'll be proving the consequence of dividing by 0 is you'll be proving that any integer would equal to something larger than it or bigger than it, which is not possible. And that for that reason, we conclude that we cannot divide by 0. This is the solid proof of that. Thank you so much.